Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. It is the contention of Learned Counsel for the petitioners that in the year 1961-62, when the predecessors in interest of the petitioners and that of the private respondents came into possession of the land, better quality of land was given to the predecessors in interest of the private respondents. Stop. To support this contention, he has referred to Jamabandis annexures P5 to P7. Stop. He also contends that, as is apparent from the said revenue record, the land in possession of the predecessors in interest of the private respondents was much better than the predecessors in interest of the petitioners. Stop. The predecessors in interest of the petitioners as well as the petitioners with their efforts have been able to improve the nature of the land. Stop. He contends that keeping in view the quality of the land which has been improved by the petitioners, the private respondents intends to grab the same by way of filing present partition application. Stop. He contends that the petitioners deserve to be compensated for the efforts which they have put into improve the quality of the land, which aspect has not been taken into consideration by the courts below. Stop. He thus contends that the land which is being partitioned would leave the petitioners at loss not only in the area but also the efforts which have been put by them, and the respondents would be at gain for the efforts put in by the predecessors in interest of the petitioners. Stop. He thus contends that the impugned orders cannot sustain and deserve to be set aside. Stop. Para. I have considered the submissions made by learned counsel for the petitioners and with his assistance have gone through the impugned orders as also the documents which have been placed on record by them, including the revenue record as also the order passed by the financial commissioner in the earlier round of litigation, where the petitioner had taken the plea of partition of the land. Stop. The order dated 9/5/2007, Annexure P9, passed by the Financial Commissioner Haryana in the second revision petition preferred by private respondents, would clearly show that the mode of partition which was finalized between the parties provided that the partition would be effected keeping in view the possession of the parties at the site, and that tube well installed at the site would also be kept in the cura of the co-sharers. Stop. It was further observed that whatsoever improvements which have been made by the respective co-sharers in their shares, the same has attained finality, and the petitioners at this stage cannot be permitted to raise such an issue. Stop. Para. That apart, it is a settled proposition of law that once it is established that there was no partition between the co-sharers, each co-sharer has to be treated in possession of each inch of the land, meaning thereby that they are in joint possession of the land. Stop. The improvements and the quality of the land go hand by hand. Stop. Obviously, the partition has to be effected as per the mode of partition which has attained finality. Stop. In the considered view of this court, the mode of partition has been adhered to by the revenue courts, which do not call for any interference, stop over